Hello everybody, we're doing activity 1, which is heat capacity of the calometer. So let's go ahead and we've already made our calometer here. It says measure 50 milliliters of water with a graduate cylinder and pour into the inner foam cup of the calometer. This will be cold water. So okay. So we're going to pour that into the, actually, it says that inner cup, so let's switch that over. That's the inner cup, that's cold water. Place the foam cup with the cold water inside the beaker, so we've done that. Stir the water with the thermometer until it is constant and record the initial temperature of the cold water, and that's going to be in TC data 1. So we're stirring that up. Let's continue to stir that. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and just write down that temperature. It says fill a third foam cup. Okay, it says fill the third foam cup 3/4 with the hottest tap water possible. So here's our third cup. Got some warm water here. That's about good. Take the temperature of the hot water. If the temperature is less than 80 degrees Celsius, heat it in the microwave with short bursts until it reaches 80 degrees Celsius. So let's see what our hot water, oh good, it's moving up pretty fast. It's steady climbing. Give that a moment or so. Okay, good. So we are at 80 with our hot water there. That's perfect. It says measure 50 milliliters of hot water with a graduate cylinder. Place a thermometer in the cylinder and gently stir until you get a constant reading. The temperature should be 75 to 80 degrees Celsius. So we're going to measure here. You can see the steam it's making there. We got a little bit much. I'm just going to pour a bit out. Now we're going to add a little more. I guess for adding purposes it would be ideal to use a pipette. But this looks about right. So now we're going to stir this. So now is a good time to go ahead and, as we're taking this temperature, we want to get our timer ready. A little bit of multitasking here. Okay. Still there. Okay, so it says we get about 75 there. So it says quickly pour the hot water into the cold water, which we've done. and we're going to start our timer, which we've also done. Gently stir the mixed water with the thermometer and record the temperature. So we're going to we're going to wait for a minute. And then it says at 1 minute intervals for 10 minutes. So it's at about 50. We'll run and record that. Keep stirring and wait for another few minutes. So we're going to continue to take measurements of the water in 1 minute intervals for 10 minutes.